Do you know that by 2025, over 70% of the jobs that will be there will require a certain level of digital skills? But what does it really mean for you as a Ghanaian or African? Let's talk about it. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. It's been a while, right? So there's so much going on, but we'll talk about that later. Let's embark on a journey to uncover some of the important digital skills that you need as a Ghanaian or someone thinking of moving from Ghana to anywhere in the world. I mean, Jackpot. All right, so if you're thinking of Jackpot and if you're thinking of staying in Ghana like myself and hoping to get a remote job, which is fantastic, by the way, then I recommend that this video you watch it and you watch it to the end. All right, number one is cloud computing. All right, by the way, Ghana's unemployment is hovering around 12% and it's not getting anywhere better. All right, so it's very important that you acquire certain digital skills which open so many doors for you globally. All right, like myself, I work remotely. So number one, as I said, is cloud computing. Remember, the cloud is not just about the weather anymore, right? So imagine storing all the data that you have in your room on the internet. Okay, so everything that you have in your room, on your hard disk, on your laptop, I mean, basically anything informative or anything that has a certain information attached to it is stored on the internet. All right, so why is it so important and why is that digital skills needed? And for Africans or Ghanaians, it's very important to master this skill, since it helps you to tap into great deal of scalability and save costs, and also open up the world of opportunities to you as someone with that cloud computing digital skills. Number two on my list is cybersecurity, of course. So in an age where our lives are basically online or on the internet, protection and security is crucial. All right, from protecting our identity, safeguarding our personal data, and of course defending the national database, cybersecurity is something that you can't overlook. All right, so you see, cybersecurity is not just a skill, it's also a shield. All right, that makes this particular skill a sought after, also my sought after. So whether you are in Ghana or abroad, I mean the diaspora, make sure that you look at this skill, especially if you're thinking of relocating from Ghana or even relocating to Ghana or as a remote worker. It's very important that you have this skill, because it has vast opportunities attached to it, since everyone is basically online and shield is needed constantly. I mean, banks need them, every business in every spectrum or every area of our lives needs cybersecurity. So it's now hotcake course or hotcake skill that you wouldn't want to miss. Number three on my list, of course, is artificial intelligence or AI. So thinking AI is just about robots, then think again. AI now is about simplifying tasks, making our lives easier, taking smarter decisions. I mean, I can't name them all. So if you are an artist, you need an AI. You can write script, you can even write music, you can create movies, anything that demanded, let's say, 5 or 20 hours of your life, you can basically or literally do them in few minutes. All right, or just some few hours with an AI. All right, so AI is a great time saver and a life saver. All right, I use AI a lot because it complements my work and helps me work easier and faster. All right, so you really want to miss on that opportunity. All right, so how is AI skill applicable, or how is AI very important skill to have? All right, we have something called prompt engineering. So basically, prompt engineering is how you can command AI to perform a certain task. All right, so if you have the skill of prompt engineering, you can tell the AI to literally do anything, including creating a website, creating an application, and doing data analysis, or I mean basically whatever you want to do. Now companies are now eyeing those with that particular skill because they want to save money. AI basically can do the work of, let's say, 300 people. One AI can do them. So companies are looking at saving costs or cutting down costs. Therefore, AI, if you have that skill of AI prompt engineering or AI prompt engineering, I mean, you have the edge. All right, so it's one skill that you wouldn't want to overlook. The last two skill is very important to me, because basically that is the area that I operate. All right, data marketing and data analysis. All right, so I'm a marketing analyst, so I combine both data and data marketing to get insight. So what is data analytics or data analysis? Let's start from there. All right, so for data analysis, they make sure that they collect data, they analyze data, they collect the data, they clean the data, they analyze the data. All right, they basically visualize the data, they present the data, and they make recommendations so that companies can make a data driven decision, all right, for them to scale up or I mean solve a particular problem that they are facing in the company. Data is very important. Data is now gold. All right, so now let's say if a company is having a problem or even shocking a certain level of success and they want to understand what really brought about this success, or what is really bringing about this failure, and they want to understand what's behind that. Data analysis is needed for them to, get all the information that it needs, analyze them, study them, clean them, perform the necessary analysis, visualize. It's a whole lot. All right, so basically what we do is you get information, you analyze the data, all right, and you present and visualize for the interested stakeholders, for them to understand what really is happening to their company or area of interest, all right, so that they can make data driven decision. All right, so it's very important, and every company basically now needs a data analyst, since the competition is getting more intense, right? Due to internet, the way that we all operated business has changed. All right, so now it's very important that you have the first-hand information, analyze and study your competitors' activities. All right, business is now war. All right, so talking about war, go and study the art of war. All right, it's really interesting book. If you're a business person, it will help you strategize how to stay on top or stay ahead in business. All right, so the last recommendation is digital marketing. All right, so every company now needs a digital marketer. Gone are the days, I wouldn't say gone are the days, now the times where companies will just outsource all their marketing activities to a traditional marketing agency. It's not, I wouldn't say it's fading away, but it's not so much like before. All right, now companies want to own their own data, have their own marketer or in-house marketing agency or in-house marketer to help them market their products, do search engine optimization. All right, basically do digital marketing for them. So it's very important skill to have. All right, if you have the digital marketing skill, you have opportunity to work globally and also locally. All right, so it's very important skill that you wouldn't want to miss. All companies now are basically on social media. All right, like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and all that. They will need people to handle their socials for them. They need people to create content for them. They will need people to do basically content marketing, user generated, do basically everything digital marketing. All right, so it's really an important course or important skill that you can't ignore. Right, so guys, these are my top 5 skills that you wouldn't want to miss or overlook if you are in Ghana or in Africa. All right, so I can recommend some course. Look in the description, I have some courses there that you can just go click on it and read more, or even subscribe to the courses and do. Not my course, you can find them on Coursera, you can find them on Udemy, but I'm giving the course that I'm giving is on the Coursera. All right, all the courses I've listed are shown in the description. All right, so guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you like and you subscribe and share this video to your friends and loved ones. Until next time, all right, keep rising, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.